Hello there YouTube, good evening. Today is November 18, 2018. The time is 7:17 p.m. Central Time. As of now we are off the grid, and I started at 6:52 p.m. As you can see, this flat line here, that is when I started to be off the grid. So as you can see, there is zero energy usage, zero energy usage, zero energy usage from this time. Okay, that's 6:52 p.m. Right now battery voltage is about 28.2 and still showing 100% there. Over here is 98, so I don't know which one is real, but my voltage is about, my battery voltage is about 28 volts right there. As you can see, that negative 22, negative 640 watts there. That's what is pulling from the battery right now because I'm off the grid. So I'm planning to keep this off the grid until next day, tomorrow, if this battery lasts till tomorrow. So we're gonna go find out. I'm gonna give you update on that later. So I guess stand by and watch the next video. See how long is this battery is gonna last. Alright, we'll see you later.